Hey beauties, it's me Monalika. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and staying safe at home. Today I'm sharing with you how your moisturizing mistakes are messing up your skin. There is a method of getting the most from your moisturizer, and it's all about time, formula and technique just right. Don't worry though, here is when and how to apply moisturizer the right way. Follow these steps and we will see the difference in your skin in no time at all. First thing I want to discuss with you, when should you moisturize? Here is 8 situations that indicate it's time to slather your skin with moisturizer. Number 1. Use moisturizer right after you wash your face. The best time to apply moisturizer is when your skin is damp, as this can help lock in the hydration from your moisturizer. So, use your moisturizer before your skin has dried. Number 2. Use moisturizer in the morning. Set your skin up for success by moisturizing before you head out for the day. Moisturizing should be the last step in your skincare routine before applying foundation or makeup. So don't forget apply a face lotion or cream before applying your foundation or makeup primer. Number 3. Use moisturizer before bed. Put your hard-earned beauty sleep to good use by applying a super hydrating moisturizer before getting some shut-eye. Number 4. Use moisturizer as soon as you hop out of the shower. Your face isn't the only area that deserves some moisturizing love. Just as you should apply a moisturizer to your face while it's damp, apply a moisturizer to the skin below your jawline after stepping out of the shower. Pay particular attention to areas that tend to be on the dry side, like your ankles, elbows and knees. To really up your body moisturizing game, apply a thick lotion to your hands and feet after a nighttime shower. Number 5. Use a moisturizer when you are breaking out. The first thing you may think when an unwanted breakout occurs is that you need to remove all moisturizer from your skin. And that's totally the case, right? But you are wrong. In reality, drying out your complexions won't do you any favors. Keeping your skincare routine consistent, which includes moisturizing twice a day, is always a good idea. Number 6. Use a moisturizer when you feel like skipping makeup. If you feel like going barefaced, using a moisturizer is a great way to leave your skin looking fresh, hydrated and natural. Number 7. Use a moisturizer before doing your makeup for a night out. Using a facial moisturizer will hydrate and smooth out your skin, giving you the ideal complexion for applying your makeup look of choice. Number 8. Use moisturizer pre and post flight. The cabin of an aeroplane can have very dry air that may in turn dry out your skin. Quickly cleanse your skin with micellar water before taking off, then follow up with a hydrating moisturizer. Once you have landed, repeat this process if your skin is feeling dry. Now let's talk about how to apply moisturizer the right way. Number 1. Pick the right moisturizer for your skin. The first step to picking the right moisturizer is knowing your skin type and then finding a formula to complement it. Number 2. Do the patch test. Every product on the market offers the advice to test before use. The instructions will always recommend trying a drop of the product on your wrist before applying to your face. Number 3. Wash your face first. Your skin needs to be clean before you apply moisturizer. If your pores are clogged with dirt or makeup, they will prevent the moisturizer from getting in there and doing its job. Number 4. Exfoliate before moisturizing. Exfoliation is an important process for people of all ages. Using a scrub or facial wash with some texture will slow off the dead skin cells, allowing new ones to grow and moisturizer to reach the deeper layers of skin. Number 5. Don't pull your skin. Be gentle with your face cream. If you rub too hard, we will create friction between your skin and hands, causing the water content to evaporate before it's even started replenishing. Pulling the skin in a downward motion can also lead to premature wrinkles and even shaggy skin over time. Instead, apply your moisturizer gently in a circular and upward motion. And for your eye area, pat gently with your ring finger. Number 6. Moisturize oily skin. Oily skin also needs moisturizer. Don't get into the trap of thinking that if your skin is oily or acne prone, it does not need moisturizer. If you don't hydrate your skin, we will trigger your body to produce even more sebum, the natural oil that's the main culprit for its greasy layer. Number 7. Don't apply too much moisturizer. If you over moisturize your skin, we will quickly become dependent on it for moisturize and sebum levels can decrease. Without the natural oil to keep your skin soft and supple, it will look only dull and tired. Applying more product does not mean your skin will absorb more. If you use too much product, we will end up with a thick layer of product and that could clog your pores and lead to breakouts. Number 8. Massage your skin like a pro. As part of your nighttime routine, it's a good idea to incorporate a facial massage. It may sound like a lot of effort, but in reality, it's takes 2 minutes only, and the benefits are unreal. By simply swiping your hands across your face, we will stimulate blood flow, providing your facial muscles with more rejuvenating oxygen. By targeting lymphatic drainage points, we will cleanse your lymphatic system of fluid and basically make your face less puffy. Number 9. Use a night cream. Another common mistake people make is using the same product to moisturize in the morning and at night. Night creams are typically richer and heavier than other moisturizers, and they are actually designed to penetrate the skin over an extended period of time. A day cream is typically lighter and contains antioxidants to help shield your skin from environmental damage and skin aging free radicals. Number 10. Never forget your neck, back neck and chest area. By skipping your neck and chest area, it's likely to age faster and be more prone to wrinkles and shagging, especially as the neck area is more delicate and the dermis is thinner. So it's actually one of the first areas to show signs of aging. Your neck also has fewer sebaceous glands, so it does not produce as much oil, your skin's natural moisturizer, hence why it's so crucial to moisturize your neck and chest. Finally, remember to use an upward motions when you apply your creams, otherwise you are just helping gravity to its dirty work. Last but not the least, how to apply moisturizer is as important as what you use. Substance and method are both important when it comes to how to apply moisturizer. In addition to making sure that a product's ingredients are suitable to your age, skin type and lifestyle, make sure you apply that product at appropriate times and in conjunction with other healthful activities. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know your thoughts by commenting below. If you enjoyed by watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if you like to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon with another new video. Till then, bye beauties.